Welcome to the definitive guide for those who demand precision in their personal grooming, where the perfect shave is not just a morning routine but an art form. Today, we are unveiling the top 5 electric shavers of this year, each one carefully selected to cater to different needs and budgets. From the budget-friendly bruiser to the Rolls-Royce of shavers, this is your roadmap to the smoothest shave of your life. As always, we've ensured that all the products that are mentioned in this video are conveniently listed in the description and in the pinned comment down below. This way, you can easily refer back to them later. Now, without further ado, lather up as we introduce the top 5 shavers of the year. Our first contender may not break the bank, but it definitely aims to break the stigma that quality shavers must come with a hefty price tag. Introducing the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 7000 Showerproof Body and Manscaping Trimmer. The shaver that proves reliability doesn't have to cost a fortune. This showerproof body groomer and trimmer is a game-changer for those seeking an affordable yet effective grooming solution. With its versatile design, the Bodygroom Series 7000 is perfect for all your manscaping needs. Whether you're trimming body hair or shaping your beard, this shaver delivers precise results every time. One of the standout features of this shaver is its showerproof design, allowing you to groom with ease in the shower for added convenience. The blades are designed to be skin-friendly, minimizing irritation and ensuring a comfortable grooming experience. Plus, with long-lasting battery life, you can count on this shaver to keep up with your grooming routine day after day. For those on a budget who refuse to compromise on quality, the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 7000 is the ultimate choice. Say hello to effortless grooming without breaking the bank. Stepping up to number 4 is the Philips Norelco 3800 Rechargeable Wet and Dry Shaver, a competitive force in the mid-tier electric shaver market. Don't be fooled by its approachable price point. Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 is ready to punch above its weight. Its rotary blades effortlessly glide over your skin, delivering a close and comfortable shave every time. Whether you prefer wet or dry shaving, this versatile device has you covered. Plus, with its pop-up trimmer, you can easily shape and groom your facial hair with precision. The convenience doesn't stop there. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 comes with a charging stand and storage pouch, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always ready for your grooming routine. Say goodbye to razor burn and hello to smooth, refreshed skin with this reliable electric shaver. Don't compromise on quality. Get the Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 today and experience the perfect blend of performance and affordability. Making its entrance at number 3, the Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor is not just a shaver. It's a statement of style and adaptability. The Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor stands out as the epitome of grooming excellence, especially for those with sensitive skin. Boasting a sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this razor delivers a close, comfortable shave with minimal irritation. Its ultra-sharp precision blades, honed to a 30-degree angle, effortlessly glide over the contours of your face, ensuring a smooth and precise shave every time. The flexible pivoting head adjusts to your facial structure, providing maximum contact and coverage for an impeccable finish. What truly sets the Arc 5 apart is its hypoallergenic blades and gentle shaving experience, making it ideal for those prone to irritation or razor burn. With a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, this razor offers both performance and convenience. Say goodbye to redness and discomfort. Upgrade to the Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor for a luxurious grooming experience tailored to sensitive skin. Are you on the hunt for the best rotary head shaver on the market? Look no further than the Philips Norelco 9800 Wet and Dry Shaver. This cutting-edge grooming tool is a game-changer for those seeking unparalleled performance and convenience. Equipped with precision-engineered rotary heads, it effortlessly adapts to the contours of your face, delivering a close and comfortable shave with every stroke. Whether you prefer a wet or dry shave, this versatile shaver has you covered, allowing you to customize your grooming experience to suit your needs. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power, while its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort during use. With innovative features like personal shaving sensors and advanced Skin IQ technology, the Philips Norelco 9800 sets a new standard in shaving excellence. For those who want the best rotary head shaver tool that matches their ambition, the Philips Norelco 9800 Wet and Dry Shaver is a cut above the rest. Our coveted winner of the best electric shaver of this year, Braun Series 9 Pro Plus Electric Razor. This marvel of modern engineering is a testament to ingenuity and innovation, setting the bar for what the perfect shave should be. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus stands as an unrivaled choice in the realm of electric shavers. Boasting cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, this device epitomizes the epitome of shaving perfection. With its intelligent sonic and auto-sense technology, the Series 9 Pro Plus adapts to the unique contours of your face, ensuring an impeccably smooth shave with every stroke. Its powerful motor effortlessly tackles even the thickest of beards, while the 5 synchronized shaving elements work in harmony to capture more hair in one pass, reducing irritation and minimizing the need for multiple strokes. The addition of the SmartCare Center adds a layer of convenience, automatically cleaning, lubricating, and charging the shaver with the touch of a button. Crafted for those who demand nothing but the best, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus stands as the undisputed champion of electric shavers, delivering unparalleled performance and unparalleled grooming sophistication. In conclusion, electric shavers have come a long way, and with the top 5 shavers on the market, there's no excuses for a less-than-perfect shave. Remember, the right shaver should fit your needs, lifestyle, and skin type, so choose wisely. Whether you're a daily shaver or a once-in-a-blue-moon kind of guy, this list provides an array of choices to cater to every grooming aficionado. Happy shaving! Thank you for checking out our review. Find out more about these excellent products with the link provided in the description down below. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.